Joe Tichy, CEO EMC, are you going to acquire another companies in Israel?
Yes, I am.
Which area?
I'm not going to say. I know it's not the answer you want, but what happens is if I start talking even about an individual area, there's only several companies in each area that are really kind of worthwhile. And once you say an area, then all three companies go up in price and you work against yourself.
What is your message by opening this excellence center?
The message here is basically, first of all, it's a tribute to Israel and the great talent they have here, their innovation, their just push and drive that they have. We're just proud to be here, and this is going to help EMC not only here in Israel, but the real important part is going to help EMC products worldwide and make us more competitive. So we're thrilled to be here. What we're really focusing on is the next generation of computing, which is IT as a service, commonly called cloud computing. So in the VMware side of the house, we're building an operating system for cloud computing. When you go to the cloud, what do you want? You want information, right? That's what you care about most, is the information. So we store information, which is our heritage. We both built and acquired a set of technologies around information protection. Information protection is a way to say whether a human makes a mistake or a natural disaster happens or a machine breaks or software has a failure, the information will still be available. Happens with applications like backup and replication technology, etc. So that's data protection. So again, if you got a cloud, you want to have an operating system for the cloud, we're building that. If what you care about in the cloud is information, we store it. We make sure it's always available, protected. With Tom's unit and RSA, we make sure that information is secured, and the access to that information is secured. Right, the people's identity are verified. And then, of course, if you have that information, you want to get some intelligence out of that information. And that's our information intelligence unit, where we do analytics. So it's not everything. We don't do servers, we don't do networking, we don't do a lot of applications. So we're very focused on technologies for the cloud on which people and customers will build applications. So we think it's a pretty focused strategy, and that's what we do. So there's a huge list of activities we don't do, and we partner with companies to do those activities. I want to thank everybody. Hopefully you can see that we believe we do have a good strategy. We're passionate, we're focused, and more than anything else, the innovation that the Israeli Center brings to us is highly valued. And I would answer that question that Orna did. I think it's your intensity and the way I go back to education, the way you train your youth in the hard subjects, the maths, the sciences. Israel is second to none, and that is just fabulous. So I take off my hat to you.